The meaning of faith to me is...
Meaning of fate.
The meaning of faith to me is a difficult question.
That's a hard question to answer.
I guess faith is one's following or one's calling in life. It's different for everybody. Like where you're from, most people, faith comes from culture or heritage, like where you're from, where your parents are from, where you're born.
Faith, I don't think, is necessarily something that you have to be religious to have. You can have faith in like a cause, like social justice causes and stuff like that. You can have faith in people you know and believe like they have like the power to do things, I guess.
Believing that there is good, and like no matter what you believe in, there's gonna be hope that comes from it.
I have faith in humanity. I have faith that people try to move forward, and I have faith that all of us want to be the best that we can be.
The meaning of fate is just like having hope in the future and just doing stuff to really benefit your future self.
Following whatever you feel is, I guess, can get you through life.
It's just believing in something without questioning it, knowing it exists, knowing it's there.
Meaning of faith is just believing in something, something higher than yourself, you know.
Faith to me, I think, is all about just believing in something that's bigger than you. Regardless of whatever religion you are, it's believing in, like, I guess, some kind of higher power, and then trusting that power has some kind of plan that's laid out for you going into the future.
Well, honestly, when I think about faith, I think believing in something, I think automatically with faith comes doubt. Like, especially like when you think about following Jesus Christ.
Faith is knowing some things are out of control, but putting effort into the things that you can control and leaving all the things you can't control up to God or whoever you believe in. That's what I think faith is.
Meaning of faith is believing and trusting in something you can't see, hear, or touch, because your heart tells you. Sometimes that's all you have, and if you don't have that, you might not be able to make it through another day. So if you don't have faith, you're liable to do something you might regret, but you gotta believe in something, especially in this day and age.
Pananampalataya. Binibigyang kahulugan ito bilang paniniwala, pagtitiwala at pagiging tapat sa Diyos. Ito rin ay pinakakahulugan na paniniwala sa doktrina ng isang relihiyon at ang buong pagtitiwala o matatag na paniniwala sa isang bagay. Pero ayon sa Biblia, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng pananampalataya?
Ang pananampalataya, yung salitang pananampalataya, ginagamit yan halos ng lahat ng iglesia. Pero yung kahulugan ng pananampalataya, babasahin lang yung 11:1, tapos na. Pero ano ang paliwanag? Ang pananampalataya, kapanatagan sa mga bagay na hinihintay. Tapos na tayo ron. Ang mga patriarka, naghihintay ng pangako, buhay na walang hanggan, natanaw nila mula sa malayo. Yung paghihintay nila ng buhay na walang hanggan, yung pagtitiwala nilang mayroong buhay na walang hanggan, yun ang nagdulot sa kanila ng lakas ng loob para gumawa ng katwiran, magsilupig ng kaharian. Huwag matakot sa leon, huwag matakot sa apoy. Yung pananampalataya nila nagbigay sa kanila ng lakas para magawa yung bagay na parang imposible nilang magawa. Yung pananampalataya na yon, ang kapanatagan sa bagay na hinihintay. Meron silang panatag na paghihintay. May panatag silang pagtitiwalang darating yon, walang paltos. Yun ay isang kahulugan ng pananampalataya. Pero ang isa pang kahulugan ng pananampalataya, ang katunayan ng mga bagay na hindi nakikita. Alin yung bagay na hindi nakikita?
Pangunahin po ang Diyos, hindi nakikita.
Pero may katunayan.
Opo.
May katunayang may Diyos. Yung paraiso, hindi nakikita. Pero may katunayan yon. Tandaan mo, ang pananampalataya, ang katunayan ng mga bagay na hindi nakikita. Ang katunayang may Diyos ay yung ginawa ng Diyos. Ang katunayang mayroong kang Diyos ay yung paggawa mo. Akala natin, ang pananampalataya yung paniniwala sa hindi nakikita. Hindi lang naman yun ang kahulugan ng pananampalataya. Ang kahulugan ng pananampalataya ay yung paggawa mo ng sinasabi ng Diyos na hindi mo nakikita. Yung pagsasakatuparan mo ng mga sinasabi ng Diyos na hindi nakikita. Ang ebidensyang meron kang Diyos, ginagawa mo yung sinasabi ng Diyos eh. Kaya may pananampalataya ka. Nakikita sa'yo ang Diyos sa pamamagitan ng iyong ginagawa. May ebidensyang may Diyos ka. May ebidensya na ikaw ay may tiwala. Kung di ka nga may tiwala, yun lang ang pera mo, bibigay mo pa. Kagaya ng babaeng bao, kung di ka nga may tiwala sa Diyos biro mo, wala ka ng almusal bukas. Yung babaeng bao, wala siyang pang-almusal, wala nga siyang tanghalian, walang merienda Pero binigay niya atas ng pananampalataya, di ba? So yung ginawa niya, nagpapatunay, may Diyos siya sa buhay dahil may pananampalataya siya. So yung pananampalataya, katunayan ng hindi nakikita, katunayan ng Diyos, katunayang may Diyos. Yung pananampalataya mo, katunayan nyo na nagtitiwala ka sa Diyos, nahahayag sa ginagawa mo, yung tiwala mo sa Diyos. So ang pananampalataya ay katunayan ng bagay na hindi nakikita.